Good afternoon.
Name?
My name's Richard Patrick.
Where are you from?
Franklin, Tennessee.
And what are we looking at?
We are looking at a 1979 Midas Traveler. So it's the Family Cruiser Edition. The paint was done in '94. It is the correct paint code and decal style, but it's not a decal. The previous owner actually had it painted on. But it should be
it looks good.
Style that it should be, but it's not a decal. Thank you.
Right.
It's got the third row seat and the Midas Traveler package in, I believe it is Cinnabar. And everything's original except the paint. So as you look in, I'm sorry, I also replaced the carpet just to save the floor. But the seats and the trim panels on the top part are original. And then of course, if you notice that the pile of the carpet as well as the trim panels, if those come up in the video, those were done later because I could not find the Cinnabar shag carpet to finish them out. Dash is original, seats are original, tire covers original, and motors original. It is a 345 with the 727 torque flight, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, rear drum, front disc. And if you would like, I'll be happy to pop the hood if you would.
Yes, please.
Absolutely. My honor. So this is a 345 block, and just to keep her happy and running, I chose to go with a Edelbrock 1406 and did the basic ancillaries like oil pressure, heat, and those things just to make sure everything was running fine. But other than that, it has the air conditioning still in place, cruise works, and believe it or not, windshield wipers still operate. So we drive her drips and all, and we call her Grandma's Couch.
So what's your future plans? Anything?
If I am so blessed, we will continue to drive her until she leaves us, and then we'll do what we need to get her back up and running. But we plan to enjoy her the way she is. I've got a little bit of rot on the front right that needs a little bit of patch panel work. But other than that, based on the condition of everything else, I think she's going to give us a good run, and we're going to continue to drive her.
That's an exceptionally nice scout.
Thank you, sir. You've seen a few, so I appreciate that. Be happy to lift that if you like.
Sure.
Be my honor. So we intentionally turned the rumble seat back, or the seat backwards for a rumble seat.
I noticed that.
Just because the kiddos loved it, and it's a lot of fun to pick up your daughter and son from school when they were younger. But all the seat belts, everything is there. And all this is still there from the trim work.
Yeah, it's rare to find these.
Yes, sir. Actually, at Nationals, a gentleman came up and said, "What do you want?"
You needed it.
And I couldn't part with it.
Oh, hell no.
No, sir. And but it's been a find that I didn't expect to find, but when I saw it, I wanted to preserve it. It's kind of my nature, and we have enjoyed it.
Well, you have a scout to be proud of.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Clancy, do you want to fire?
Go ahead.
Okay. Ready?
Go ahead. Sounds very healthy.
Yes, sir. It's in tight. Timing's a little bit off, not much.
Thermoquad, or what do you have?
No, I replaced the car. I've got everything that was original to the truck in boxes, but I put a Edelbrock 1406.
Runs good.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Well, thank you for showing us that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for what all you're doing.
You're welcome.